What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a brand new video. Now, I was thinking I was gonna go hit up some turns today, but I didn't really end up feeling it too much, and when you're not feeling something, it's better not to do it. I kind of realized that we haven't really done a crazy highway ride with this bike yet, and we also haven't tested out the top speed, so that's what we're gonna do today, boys. And we're already at the highway, so we can probably just get straight into it, man. I can already tell it's really freaking windy today, so I don't know if we'll be able to hit the top speed, but we're gonna try, boys. I don't know if this road is wet, so we're gonna wait for a little bit, and then we're gonna actually try out the top speed, but I have to go full tuck mode. Take a break already. This is not the perfect day for this, boys. Holy, my neck hurts so bad, and I literally just did this for like 10 minutes now. Oh my god, the wind completely rolled my hoodie up, so you could have seen my whole stomach, my whole back, my left arm. Oh my god, the wind today, man. I know I said it like 20 times already, but the wind today is absolutely nuts. So I guess I just found a road because I've never been here, and this road looks pretty freaking dope. I said I didn't want to go do any crazy turns, and I don't even know this road, but I low-key want to explore because this looks like good asphalt, good road, not that many people here. This looks like it could be a lot of fun, boys. I hope that you guys were able to see at least a bit, because I had to tuck like all the way, which means you guys probably saw a lot of the HISS, and yeah, it sucks, but like I can't even fit under this whole windscreen. Like half of my helmet was still freaking showing, and the wind was pushing my helmet back so freaking hard. It was like impossible to fucking stay in it for longer, man. I have no clue where I'm at, but I like these roads and I want to explore more. Hey! I don't know these roads at all. I've never been here. So just bear with me. We are not going to go fast, probably at all. Maybe a little bit, only if I can like actually see in that turn. I'm just giving you guys a heads up so you don't blame me in the comments for, you know, riding like a newbie right now. But I don't want to misjudge a corner and end up in a tree, you know? I mean, I didn't lie in my title. I did go fast, and we are going to run it back, and we're going to try to attempt the top speed again. And I know that this bike could do a little more because I secretly done the top speed with the black 600RR, but I want to show it on camera first. Oh, there's a gas station right here, so we're going to fill up because I need to fill up. We're going to clean up the freaking lens, and we're going to rest up for a little bit, and we're probably going to head back. Maybe we're going to explore that road for a little bit, and then we're going to head back for the highway. I probably could have taken a different route back, but I did promise you guys to test out the top speed on the highway, and we are going to go for it again. I want to hit the number that I've hit with the black 600RR. It was a pretty nice number. I don't know if we're going to be able to hit it today because of the crappy freaking windscreen and the extreme wind that we have today, but hey man, I gotta try, right? And I'm gonna be smart this time, and I'm gonna check my lens right before I get on the highway so at least I can hopefully get some decent footage for you guys before I catch more bugs today. We are getting close to the highway, boys. Now, is my lens clean? My lens actually looks clean, surprisingly, so let's go fuck up the highway, boys. Seems like there's a decent amount of cars here though, so I don't know if the top speed will be possible today, boys. Nice. Holy shit, boys! Almost! I think that's enough, boys. Holy crap! We got a little traffic jam going on here, so at least we get to relax, boys. That was pretty freaking crazy. I did not even try to talk because I knew you guys would not be able to understand jack shit. But oh my god, guys, that was crazy. I think there was 270 or 271 on the dash. It's a 600, man. That's some good speed, I would say. And I think with a tune and probably like a -1, -2 sprocket at the rear, we could potentially hit 280, maybe even 285. This guy's not moving over. I know I could squeeze in, but I didn't want to go that fast because that would be a little too dangerous. Not saying what I'm doing is not dangerous. This is very dangerous. Even though some states allow this, please be careful when you lane split and try to do it at a very slow speed. Yo! Thank you, bro. When a semi-truck lets you go, man, that's a mad respect, boys. Thank you, Mini Cooper. Alright, let's actually hit up a gas station, boys, because I am very freaking thirsty. Alright, boys, I'm probably going to get myself a Red Bull, relax for a little bit, and we're probably slowly going to start heading home. Drinking Red Bull because I already have a White Monster between my legs, you know what I'm saying? One thing I've noticed with this bike is that the mirrors tend to like start folding back at very high speeds, which has never happened to me on the 650R. So I don't know what's going on here. The mirrors even seem pretty much the exact same as the 650R had. Obviously the 650R was a bit slower, but I've done the top speed multiple times and there was extreme wind as well, and it's never done that even by a bit. And this actually moved quite a lot. Like the mirror's like this now, and I think it was folded like up to here. I don't want to get into this topic too much. You can obviously adjust those mirrors quickly and you're good to go, but it is a little annoying. I'm gonna leave all the details for the top 5 things I hate about this bike, but I'm obviously gonna record that in a pretty long time because I need to really get to know this bike, get to know all the super tiny details. I got used to this bike like almost right away. It's so easy to get used to this bike, but to actually get to know absolutely everything about it, you still need some time. I was riding pretty much all day today because we were supposed to get bad weather today, and then out of nowhere it just became really freaking sunny. So I was like, you know, I have to be on the bike as much as I can today just to enjoy it. And so because of that, I pretty much did not pay any attention to my girlfriend today. So I don't think she's too happy about that. And it is getting pretty late, so I think I'm gonna leave it off here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notifications, and I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace!